Watch this video to learn how to create this soft pastel eye makeup look. As the background for the smoky effect, I will use Lyria and blend right above the crease. This will be our transition shade. If you have close-set eyes, make sure not to drag the shadow inwards. Just focus on the outer angle. Picking up Dakota now, which is a medium dark matte eyeshadow, pressing it onto the outer corner of the lid, and then with the rest of the product on the brush, I'm moving upwards until I blend into the transition shade. And with Lyria again, just going over the border to make sure that everything is softly blended. Using a dense brush, I'm picking up Lola and I'm pressing this onto the center lid. This is a very intense brick colored foiled eyeshadow. When you use metallic or foiled eyeshadows, make sure that your base is still slightly dewy and fresh, or you can just press it onto your lid with your finger. It will work both ways. Again with Dakota, I'm blending the inner crease, and right away after this, also with Lyria, just to make sure that I have a diffused finish. I'm using Dakota again for the lower lash line, and I want to create a like a very soft and sultry eye look. That's why I'm using a pretty large brush for the lower lash line. But if you want to have a thinner line, a more defined look, and more natural or super wearable, then I would recommend just to use a smaller brush for the lower definition. And after I focus on the outer third to create this line thicker, then I'm connecting it with the upper crease, so everything will be blended in softly together. Following with Lola, I'm pressing this on the center lower lash line and dragging it really in underneath the inner corner. I want to keep the inner corner without any pigment right now because I'm going to follow with a light shade to give a beautiful pop of light. With the medium fluffy smudger, look up please, I will use Lyria to blend the lower border of the lash line. This is very important for finishing smoky eyes. So it will always look soft, smoky, and will open up the eyes. And then finally, Kai, a super metallic, foiled, coral pastel eyeshadow for the inner corner using a flat brush. This will pack this formula greatly onto the lid and will give a gorgeous pop of light to the inner corner.